Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, where we take sewing machines, open them up, and then do a video on every page of the manual. And today we get to start the filming of the Pfaff Quilt Ambition 630 sewing machine. So I can't wait to get into this machine because there are so many features that it has, and it has a ton of decorative stitches. So if you're interested in the quilts behind me, we use decorative stitches and all the Pfaff accessory feet to create those fabulous blocks. And that is called our Stitching Cosmos online course. So I'll be talking about that throughout these videos, but this machine has the stitches to keep up with all the fancy machines. So if you don't have a huge budget, but you're looking for a machine that can do most of those fun decorative works, I think you'll love this. It's got the Pfaff IDT in it. It's like a built-in walking foot, and it's got the extra space for machine quilting or just having room for those projects, especially if you're doing any mending. Now, here's a note about these videos. Number one, if you already own this machine, you're going to learn even more about it. You're going to go from one corner to the other, and you're going to master every part in between. The other thing about these videos, you can tell I do talk a little bit fast. Don't forget that YouTube does have a fabulous feature right down here that allows you to slow me down. So if you can't keep up with me, just slow me down a little bit. So let's get in, and I want to show you what comes with this machine. So as we get into, I always love opening up brand new machines, which this is one of these. This would be a great machine to also take a look at, sew on at your local Pfaff retailer, and see if it's the right machine for you. It is one of our popular machines at our store, so that's why we're definitely getting to all these videos, so we can even just help out our customers as well as you wherever you are in the world. So thanks again for watching all of our videos. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll keep you up to date on all the new things that we come out with. Okay, so first off, out of the box, foot control, power cord are separate. So I love the fact that these are separate, and you know what I like to do? Is when I plug my machine in, I'll put the power cord away from the machine and down over the back of the table, and then only the power cord foot control part is coming down in front of me. So less cord option in your way when you're doing this. Let's see here. Okay, so here's the next thing. Next thing what we have in this machine is the hard case. So if you're looking to travel with this machine, it is going to stay nice and protected. The other thing nice is, let's say you don't have a place you can leave it set up all the time. So you're going to pack it up, put the case over the top of the machine, and it will easily fit into a shelf or storage area and stay protected there as well. And because there is a handle in with the machine, we're going to just let it come out of the box. One more thing. They do include a printed manual with this machine. So again, I said we're doing a video on every page of the manual. So follow along. If it's in here, we're talking about it. And we do know that people learn better sometimes by watching and hearing. And I know sometimes people say, oh, the manuals they're not great. And I'm like, well, is it that the manual's not great or you don't understand what they're saying? So I hope I'll be explaining what you're doing, because then the manual will be just that little like refresher course because you forgot what it does. Oh yeah, that's what she said that particular function does. I've even done that myself, where I've learned something and then just use that as a little trigger for remembering everything. There she is, our Pfaff Ambition 630. This is considered a quilt edition because of some of the stitches, some of the feet that come with it, and I can't wait to get in and show you all the cool things it'll do. Look at how much space this is. And I know it's a little deceiving when you see it on camera, but trust me, when you sit down to it, you'll really notice. Plus, once we get it plugged in, you notice how much light is all around the needle and in this area. Here's a light bar right here. So when you're sewing on darker fabrics, it's not going to be hard hard to see. Some of you sew late at night. That's another reason lighting is so important on a machine. So if you're picking out a new machine, one of the things I always tell my customers is look at the lighting, because you get home and there's not a lot of light and you get frustrated and don't use it as much. So let's go in. We're going to start off by getting this machine threaded. How to wind the bobbin. There's a needle threader on this machine. Yay, that always saves me extra time. And I can't wait to show you all the cool accessories that come packed in this fabulous machine. So I hope you'll join us. Check out our entire playlist of all the videos that we have done on this machine.